Quick couple of case studies. It's 12:40, and I know, I'm sorry, I'm here before lunch. Everyone's hungry. Like, please shush. I've got a headache now. Is it easy to remove a small default? No. Any default removal, you have to prove it's listed in error as per legislation, whether it's $300 or 300,000. I just quoted someone, for a $289 default. I said, sorry, it's still going to take me 4 to 6 weeks. I still have to get all the documents from them. I still have to try and find the error and then go into written negotiations for you. It's 4 to 6 weeks to look into a default properly. That's how we do it. So no, it's not easy. It's as per legislation. If I haven't paid the debt, can the default be removed? Yes, because I don't know if you remember, but at the start I said, if it's unpaid and you pay it, the default remains. Yeah, because it's valid. But if I can prove a default is invalid and the debt's not paid, you remove the default because it's a completely separate matter to the fact that money is owed. And then we get people into a payment plan from there. So that's good.